Hi there, we'd like to give you a video tour of our DeYoung Properties Residence 180 floor plan. Come on in. As you walk in, first you'll notice an open, airy entry. Nestled near the entry is the spacious, light-filled great room. Making your way past the great room, you'll find the Gourmet Kitchen. Around the corner, you'll find the powdered bathroom. This half bath is perfect for when you're entertaining with visiting guests. Adjoining the Gourmet Kitchen is the convenient and large walk-in pantry. The kitchen opens directly to the dining room, which is perfect for enjoying delicious meals with family. This open concept floor plan really creates harmony between functionality and comfort, perfect for today's modern lifestyle. Now let's head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. At the top of the stairs, you'll find the convenient laundry room. Across the hall is bedroom 2, which is filled with abundant natural light. Bedroom 3 includes a walk-in closet, spacious enough to fit all of your storage needs. Bedrooms 2 and 3 also share bathroom 2, which comes with high-performance Kohler plumbing fixtures, ample countertop space, and a roomy shower over the bathtub. Now onto the owner suite, which evokes a sense of comfort and serenity that you would expect in a DeYoung home. The owner suite is your sanctuary. Well, that completes our video tour of our DeYoung Residence 180, a 2-story floor plan that's perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing with the family. Call us today to learn more.